Saimaa, and in that one lake lives this seal species called Saimaa ringed seal. And that's the only place in the world where that seal species lives. And a few years back I got the chance to go there and hang out with those seals. That was super cool.
David's actually seen one. I've never seen one.
I've seen 8 of them.
8 of them. I've never seen one.
Yeah, they're
Really
like
rare.
super rare. You don't get to see them.
I have seen maybe 5 times. And one really close.
That is cool.
Like, I don't know, 20 meters or something.
And that is really rare. I saw one with a bone. For real.
It's really rare.
It is.
It's real nature.
Gracias.
Thank you.